Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to this channel. In today's video we are going to be showing how to process palm kernel oil, and before we do that, I'm going to show you the palm kernel itself in the shell. This is the palm kernel right in the shell. So I'm going to break it, then bring out the palm kernel, then I'll show you when I break it. Then before we now process the oil. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification button to know when I upload another video. Thank you. So guys, right here we have our palm kernel in the shell. So this is the hammer. I'm going to break it, and I have my stone here so that I'm going to break it. So I'm going to show you everything before we process the palm kernel, the palm oil. Hope you are seeing what I am doing. Good. So we are going to break it like that. So this is a palm kernel now. I've removed it from the shell. So this is how it is now. So from here, I'll process the oil. So see you in my next video as we will process the oil together. Thank you.